I want to give you 3 reasons why we go through the extra work of trellising our vegetables and our brambles here at the Grateful Ambition Homestead. My bride has one more reason, so I guess there'll be a bonus at the end. Reason number 1 we like to trellis our vegetables and our brambles at the Grateful Ambition Homestead is in order to save space. By saving space, not only does it make it easier to walk through and navigate our different rows of produce, but we can also squeeze in those rows a little bit tighter than we normally would with traditional methods, allowing us to get more food per square foot here at the homestead. Reason number 2, it helps with air circulation and sun penetration. By lifting up our vegetables and our brambles with trellising, not only does it help minimize the outshading of the neighboring plant varieties, but it also increases that direct sunlight for photosynthesis. In addition to that, we get better air circulation through our plants, which is going to allow them to dry out so that we can help prevent disease. And that actually leads me into reason number 3, disease prevention. Trellising helps you lift those plants up off the ground, and that helps passively prevent diseases that are soil-borne. These diseases would include powdery mildew, blight, stem rot, bacterial spotting, and I'm sure there's a whole bunch of others that I forgot to mention. Powdery mildew on our cucumbers, green beans, and sweet peas, blight on our tomatoes, and bacterial spotting or stem rotting with our squash are all things that we can easily help prevent with some simple trellising on our vegetables. So now to my bride's reason, and actually now we have 2 reasons. So the first reason is a delineation. There's nothing like waking up, taking your dogs for a morning walk around the property and seeing those beautiful nice rows of trellised produce. Okay, maybe I romanticized it a little bit because your dog is actually a puppy and wakes up at the butt crack of dawn, but regardless, my beautiful bride loves those beautiful trellis rows of vegetables. Now that bonus reason that she wanted me to bring up as well is the fact that it really helps with picking. Not just picking for the adults. As our kids ping pong around the garden or through the blackberry bushes, the lifting of those plants through trellising not only helps give them structure, but helps prevent damage as we bounce back and forth trying to pick snap peas and cucumbers and green beans and tomatoes and peppers and what have you. Hello everybody, this is Rooster, and Rooster wants to thank you for watching, and we hope that we've earned your subscription here on the Grateful Ambition Homestead.